Have you ever wondered why some people are able to accumulate wealth effortlessly while others struggle to make ends meet? It all comes down to their mindset. In this video, we'll be exploring the psychology of money and how you can develop a millionaire mindset. Hi there, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. In today's video, we'll be discussing the psychology of money and how you can develop a millionaire mindset. We'll be sharing some valuable insights that will help you shift your perspective towards money and abundance. Reason number 1, the first reason why you should develop a millionaire mindset is that it helps you attract abundance. When you focus on abundance and adopt a positive mindset towards money, you start to attract more of it into your life. This is because your thoughts and emotions have a powerful impact on your reality. Reason number 2, the second reason why developing a millionaire mindset is important is that it helps you make better financial decisions. When you have a clear understanding of your financial goals and a positive outlook towards money, you're more likely to make smart financial choices that will help you achieve those goals. Reason number 3, the third reason why developing a millionaire mindset is important is that it helps you overcome limiting beliefs around money. Many of us have been conditioned to believe that money is scarce and that it's difficult to accumulate wealth. By developing a millionaire mindset, you can break free from these limiting beliefs and start to see money as an abundant resource. Reason number 4, the fourth reason why developing a millionaire mindset is important is that it helps you become more resilient in the face of financial challenges. When you have a strong mindset, you're better equipped to handle setbacks and overcome obstacles. This resilience is essential for building wealth over the long term. Reason number 5, the fifth and final reason why developing a millionaire mindset is important is that it helps you create a legacy. When you accumulate wealth, you have the power to create a positive impact on the world around you. By developing a millionaire mindset, you can build a lasting legacy that will benefit future generations. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful and that you're inspired to develop a millionaire mindset. Remember, your mindset is the key to unlocking your financial potential. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.